Good morning. I am just so excited today. We made soap yesterday and now we are getting ready to unmold it and cut it. So, this is the soap we made, and this is going to be my cocoa butter cashmere soap. So, let's go ahead and unmold it. Give you a little close up. Okay. Oh, it looks pretty. Looks really pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it cut. See if I can get you guys in there to see this. Let's see what the first cut looks like. Oh, it is beautiful. Here's the first cut. Second cut. They are so pretty. And it should be the last cut. Absolutely gorgeous. And the last piece. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video on the cutting of the cocoa butter cashmere soap. They are just so gorgeous. I am very happy with how they came out. Okay, you guys have a great day. Bye.